A demo presentation of an application intended for users. In this case, a user begins by downloading the application from Android. They will select the language. They will select to register. Select the country they want to work with. In this case, let's say Mozambique. So they self-register. This is important because it avoids the need to go and sign the users. They can just download, self-register, and in this case they will enter their phone number, and once they enter the phone number they will get a one-time password, and that will validate their phone number. In this case I'm going to go back and set in demo mode. So once it initializes, it creates a record on the system, and it shows the different products that they can have. So now they have a balance of 0, as you can see down there, and the first thing they need to do, they need to put money in their account. We can call this an account, or we can call this a wallet. Let's say we call it a wallet, and then they will have different ways to deposit money depending on the country. If they are in Mozambique, they can go to one of our merchants and deposit money, or they can deposit bitcoins, they can deposit a Flexepin voucher, they can different ways to load. And because it's a wallet, you can also send money from to other users. They can generate a cash voucher. So for example, they can do a Flexepin, a paysafecard, and they can buy all the recharge from Mozambique because we selected Mozambique. They can recharge data. That's something we can add. They can apply for microloans. So for example, instead of them going to the office, they can just select the option and get the request for a human person to validate if it's a good credit or not, and you transfer the money to their wallet. They can then also pay their loans. So for example, we can have to pay their loans from M-Pesa, and they can check the balance. The other interesting product is the cash vouchers, as we said, so they can check the currency. They can buy Flexepin in different denominations. You can have a US dollar or a Canadian dollar. Flexepin is used if you want to buy things online, do online gambling or games, and you can do bill payment like the electricity, as well as the start times that you have in Mozambique. And the same thing, they could generate different countries. They can generate their own reports. They can find the location of the merchants in Mozambique, in this case as in Canada, and have settings. So the idea is to launch this application in Mozambique and then expand it to other countries. Thank you.